Mini Cooper versus Camaro full comparison. The Mini Cooper and Chevrolet Camaro are both iconic cars, but most people get this comparison wrong. You won't believe how different these two vehicles really are in performance, comfort, and daily usability. Starting with performance, the Camaro is a muscle car with options like a 275 to 650 horsepower rev engine, delivering thrilling acceleration and straight-line speed. The Mini Cooper, on the other hand, focuses on agility with a turbocharged 2.0-litre four-cylinder producing up to 301 horsepower. It's quicker around tight corners, but less raw on the highway. Interior comfort favours the Mini for daily usability. Its cabin is cosy, tech-friendly, and easier to navigate in urban environments. The Camaro's interior is sport-focused, slightly cramped, especially in rear seats, but it offers a more aggressive driving experience. Fuel economy is another contrast. The Mini averages 28-32 miles per gallon combined, making it practical for commuting, while the Camaro ranges from 18-24 miles per gallon, more suited for weekend drives and performance enthusiasts. Handling and maneuverability favour the Mini Cooper, especially in city streets and twisty roads. The Camaro dominates in high-speed tracks and open highways with stability and powerful braking. In conclusion, choose the Mini Cooper if you prioritise agility, fuel efficiency, and city driving. Choose the Camaro if you want high-performance thrills, aggressive styling, and open road dominance. Both are excellent, but their strengths cater to very different drivers.